Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. Too young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to be working with RPGSHOW. I work with them so many times. You guys are probably used to seeing them on my channel if you are a returning subscriber. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of an introduction for this video because I'm not going to talk much through it. I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about the wig, my thoughts, and everything. So RPGSHOW sent me this long middle part wavy black ombre wig. It's like black to chocolate brown. I love it. I love the coloring. I love the feel of the hair. You guys see how shiny the hair is. This is their all set glueless wig. It has invisible knots and it does come with real scalp tape. It's a little tape you can put on the part to make it look like your scalp. They actually work really well. I just didn't use it because it was a little bit light for me. Also, this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline and it is free parting. I believe the part goes back to 6 inches. Yes, it's 13 by 6. The length of this wig is 20 inches and the density is 200% density. Love it. Great combo. I love this density. Like, it was so natural to me. It wasn't too thick because I don't really like wigs that are like thick. Like, I know a lot of people like their wigs like thick because, you know, wigs shed over time and the thicker, the longer it lasts. But I just like a nice natural density, something that could look realistic. So I love that about this wig. I love the lace. It was so thin and invisible. I did have to apply a little bit of makeup on it just because, you know, certain light can have like a little casting that you can see. So I did apply a little bit of makeup to it and I just went in and curled it because I thought it would be so pretty, especially with the color and the ombre effect. The curl would just look good. Like, it would look really good, and I was right. It looks really good, and I like how the curl dropped. Now I will say that this wig was it didn't really hold the curl well, but I did end up spraying hairspray. I don't know if I showed it, and it helped a little bit, but that's no problem for me because I love a loose curl. Like, I love when the curls drop and it's just like a little wave. So that worked for me. But honestly, I love this wig. What else did y'all expect? This RPGSHOW. Their wigs are bomb. I love their wigs. I love their hair. Like, every time I work with them, it's been amazing. Like, I never had a bad experience with them, and I swear. So I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box for you guys. If you want to check them out, get you a nice little wig for Christmas time, New Year's, you know, a wig that you can wear. I do recommend it. This wig will last you a long time, y'all. I'm not lying, okay? I'm not. I swear to you. So if you guys check the description box, you can use the code SHAM, S-H-A-M, for $80 off. Y'all, use it. Get you a wig that you don't have to put any work into. Like, you literally can just get it, take it out of the box, and put it on. You don't even have to wash it. Like, y'all, use that code and get you a wig. I am telling you. So, again, I'm going to have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys. You want to check them out. I love RPGSHOW. RPGSHOW is like top 3, and it's not 3. Okay? It's not 3. So, again, everything in the description box. Check them out. Use my code SHAM for $80 off. So you guys can save, get you a good little deal, get you a nice wig, and yeah, that's gonna be it. I think I just talked the whole video, and I literally said I was gonna talk the whole video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Feed me your baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. You just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say it. You're making me want to say, oh, you're trying to leave. you here with